You have the oxtail, you have the plantain, you have the cheese, you have the scotch bonnet aioli, you have the lettuce, the tomato. Wow. Wow.
Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Here goes our oxtail after 2.5 hours.
Look at that.
Okay, so now I'm going to make some scotch bonnet aioli, right? I have here some garlic. I'm also going to be using garlic in this one. Going to torch them a little bit because I don't have any open flame. Normally I'd put these over open flame to roast them. So you just roast them. If you have an open flame, you can do this. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of olive oil, black pepper. And I already washed these, right? You can smell that roasted pepper. That's what I want. And a little bit of salt over top. We're going to wrap these up. You can either put this in the oven or your air fryer. I'm going to put them in my air fryer for about 15 minutes just to get them nice and soft. So right now scotch bonnet is ready, as well as the garlic. I'm going to cut that scotch bonnet. It's nice and soft. And we're going to remove the seeds, because that's where all the spice is. So we remove the seeds. Then we're going to squeeze the garlic from the pulp. And we're going to chop them up. Beautiful. Go into 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, a drizzle of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, touch of dried parsley, about 1 teaspoon of honey. Get that heat down, and a little paprika for color. And then what you want to do is just to mix that together. Beautiful. All right, and that's our sauce. All right, so here we go now. We're gonna be removing a few pieces of that oxtail. We don't need any sauce, just the oxtail. And we're gonna find the ones that will just fall right off the bone, not those little rounded end ones. So we need the ones that actually have on a lot of meat that's falling off the bone. All right, get a fork and remove the meat pieces because this is still super hot. Fork and a tongue. Remove the pieces. So now I'm going to assemble this oxtail taco crunch wrap. Let's go. So the first thing you're going to be needing is diced tomato and lettuce. I'm going to be using 2 cheeses, mozzarella and medium cheddar, and those are grated. Of course, our scotch bonnet garlic aioli, nice, just made that. And then our braised oxtail, and I removed them from the bones, right? This is nice and hot. As I said before, you can use whatever leftover oxtail you have, and we have some tostones right here, nice and crispy, crushed green plantain, and we have 2 tortilla shells, the 9-inch and the 6-inch. So the first thing you want to do to assemble this, you're going to go in with a nice serving of that scotch bonnet garlic aioli right there. Generous serving. Mix that around. Generous. Gonna hit that with a little bit of cheese. Yes, no man. Little bit of the mozzarella cheese for the stretch. Alright. We're gonna go in with our cooked oxtail. Holy. And I still keep them in the big chunks that they are in. Let me show you how nice, soft and tender oxtail. Spread that out. If you have leftover oxtail, man, this is something you can try. Then we're gonna go in now with our plantain. This is the toastone. Yeah. Crispy plantain right on top. Then we're gonna add that lettuce. Some nice fresh romaine lettuce. And some of that diced tomato. Yeah, man. Remember, it's a taco crunch wrap. A little bit more cheese on top. Yo! Come in with the cheese, man. Don't be stingy. This is taco. Can drizzle a little bit more of that sauce on top here. Just a little. Yeah. Remember, the sauce is nice and spicy. That smaller tortilla shell. So place that tortilla shell on top. I'm gonna fold one edge like so. Fold the next edge. You're creating like a diamond all around. Right? Beautiful. Hold that in place. Wrap it nicely, tightly. So we're gonna get a pan. Should have done this before. Heat that with a little bit of oil. Just spray that. Then the folded side down. Just so we get that sealed off. Add your pot on and we're gonna crisp that up. Right? Flip that over. Beautiful. Nice and sealed. Crispy. We're gonna get some crispiness on the next side. Flip that over. Still a bit hot. Right. Cut that into two now.
Look at that. You have the oxtail, you have the plantain, you have the cheese, you have the scotch bonnet aioli, you have the lettuce, the tomato. Wow. Wow. Let me taste. Sauce mad like that. Beautiful. This is a must try. It's like you're eating one of those mega patty, Jamaican mega patty. But this is a taco. The oxtail taco crunch wrap, the plantain, the cheese, the tomato, the sauce, the oxtail. And the oxtail, I just kept it whole. Just bring it up a little bit, don't chop it up. Don't overcook it because you don't want it to be shreds. Want it to be nice and tender, I tell you. This, but like a dog and done. The wrap crunchy. Tell them, don't wrap for the chef. Go ahead. What do you think?
How's it that? Like a little spicy, but
Should be.
I found this on your channel.
Which is that?
It tastes
Spice that kick me. Spicy?
A little bit spicy.
Mm-hmm.
But it's like, it's actually really good. Like, I don't know how to explain how to
Lick
eat.
our finger though. Explain it, man.
Oh no, dude.
Wow. Feel like my bite a few of the Scotch bonnet pepper seed.
It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It just tastes like
But you like, do you
salad
like it?
taste. A little
Oh, you like a what? Say that again?
bit. Salad taste.
Mm-hmm. Hot your fruit.
I feel like chicken inside.
Chicken or oxtail in there. Mm-hmm.
It feels like frittata in there.
Oh, the plantain, you say feel like a fritters. Okay. Okay. They are beating you.
There's like nice sauce in there, probably a hot sauce.
Meat, man. Yeah, there you go. It's a little bit spicy, I'm not gonna lie to you. So guess what? You can use one Scotch bonnet versus the two, but it's still the honey in that sauce mild it out, and then with the fresh vegetables and the oxtail, it's not that spicy. But if you are afraid of spice, just notch down the pepper to one. But trust me, the flavor is
Or you don't put
phenomenal.
any at all.
No, you can't do that. You have to put pepper because pepper is part of the sauce. It's a Scotch bonnet sauce.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, Scotch bonnet mayo or aioli. Yes, sir. Alright, there you go.
Yes, sir.
Once again, thank you very much for watching. And see if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And see if you learned something new, give the video a thumbs up as well. Leave your comments down below. And see if you love my vibe, hit subscribe. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel on the gravel and go and big up on yourself.